Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia She's So Blessed. I'm back with you to do another video. Yes, another video, guys. And in this video, if you would like to know how I created these salad plates and these, or you can call them dessert plate, then you keep on watching. The things that you will need for this DIY is any type of color or acrylic paint that you would like to do your plates or your salad plate. My choice tonight is gonna be purple. I did not have any purple that will actually make it dark like that, so I'm mixing it up some colors to turn it into a different color, a shade of purple. And I know that red and navy blue or royal blue, it turns things to the color purple. But what I also did, guys, I added some white to brighten it up to get that color. So, guys, I'm going to go ahead on and get into the DIY and show you how I created those salad plates. But before I started, I want to know, yes, I do. Are you keeping things safe in your home? Are you washing your hands, keeping your hands out of your face, wearing your gloves, wearing your mask? Well, thank you. Well, guys, I'm going to go ahead on and show you what I have done to get this here look. I hope everyone is doing fine today. It's a beautiful Friday. I hear that the weather is actually bad in Georgia and the Carolinas, so hope everybody is safe. I want to give a shout out to my new and old subscribers and let you know how much I appreciate you. So this color may be a little darker. I can add some white if I want to, but I'm going to leave it dark just to see what this here, the outcome going to be. So what you have to do, guys, is basically just turn over your plate and you start it to paint. I got this idea from Be My Guest with Denise. So I wanted some purple plates because one of the Diva Dynasty will be doing a Tablescape Sunday, and the colors that is required is purple. So I said, let me get started. So this is what I'm doing now. So I think also I want to thank everybody for the comments on my last DIY. I appreciate it. I'm glad everybody liked it. So guess what, guys? I don't have to redo it. I did get another comment said that if I would have made it a little smaller, so I can put it at that table, but that was just a display just to show you guys. And really, that was just a DIY. It's nothing that I'm going to be keeping. I'm going to actually break those plates up and use it for another DIY. So guys, this is my color right here. If you don't want to paint it, you can just go ahead and just put it on your fingers and do it like this. But I'm going to go ahead and paint mine, okay? With Denise, Be My Guest with Denise, she used her fingers. I'm just going to be using the brush. I use my finger for this one, and I use the brush for those. So, this is all you do. Once you brush on your paint on the back of your salad plate, you can just make any type of design you want. I found it was very easy for me and fast if I just went head on and just made some circles all over it like you see on that one. I tried to make this plate a little different, but I did have 4 extra plates to do my tablescape with. But this is the style that Be My Guest and Denise had used her fingers. I'm just using a brush, and that's pretty much it. So guys, what do y'all want to do? Do y'all want to do a collaboration or a challenge trying to inspire some of the YouTubers, the big YouTubers? pick a YouTuber and see if you want to try to create one of their designs, and then you just share where you got that design from. If anybody want to do that challenge with me, and if it's something you want to do, just leave me a comment in the comment section so we can get started, because even though we small YouTubers, we can also support our big YouTubers. I hope everyone agree. Now, I had this plate outside, but it started to rain outside, and I realized that my blow dryer, guys, it worked just good. Actually, it worked better. So I'm going to blow dry this, and I'm going to come right back with you and show you what I have. Okay, guys, this is the design that came out with you and myself. We had shared together. So that. Okay, guys, this is the final look of my salad plate. I hope you enjoy this here DIY, how to create your salad plate in any color that you desire. So, guys, I will see you in the. Wait, hold on, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to do a collab or a challenge with me where we can inspire any YouTubers that you have noticed something that you like and you wanted to create. So leave me a comment and let me know if that's something you're interested in. So I will see you, yes you, in the next video. Bye-bye.